Dear students, in this video, I will explain that inspections and testing concept. So, this inspections and testing. So here, in order to discover the problem, software inspections will be used. So this inspections and testing. It will be represented by the static system format. So this software testing, it is concerned with exercising and observing product behavior, and it is also called as the dynamic verification. So here in this diagram you can observe the concept inspection and testing. So here, the people will examine the source representation in order to detect the defect, okay, in order to identify the bugs or the errors. So it's necessary to identify it's necessary to search the source representation. So inspections does not require execution of a system. So it will be used before implementation stages only. So in the earlier stages only this inspections can be done. So as shown in the diagram, you can observe it can be applied to any representation of the system. That any representation means it might be a requirement, it might be a software architecture, or it might be a UML design, database scheme, anything. Okay, so the main advantages of the inspections are, so during testings errors can hide. So during testing, that one error can hide the another errors. So obviously inspection is a static process, so we don't bother about the interaction between the errors. So and then the one more advantages of inspections are that incomplete version of a system can be inspected. Okay, so that incomplete version of a system can be inspected without any additional cost. So this is the main advantages here. Okay, so you can observe the main thing is that, so that one error can hide the other errors, right? So by conducting this inspection we can identify those errors. Okay, and the second one is that, so here that incomplete version, okay, incomplete version can be identified in an earlier stage itself. So these are all the main advantages of the inspections. So next, I will explain the major difference between the inspections and the testing. So here you can observe inspections can be done on any system representation such as requirements document, design diagrams, as well as the program source code, whereas the testing, it involves running an implementation of the software with the test data. So inspection means what? We are just going to check whether all the requirements are accurate or not, whether the design is proper or not, whether the source code are accurate or not. All these things we can call it as a inspection. Whereas the testing means what? We are going to run a program. Okay, we are going to run a code in order to check whether it is proper or not. So in order to run any code we need a test data. So in the test data will be used in the testing phase. Okay, so next, the second major difference between the inspection and testing is, so that inspection is a static verification and validation technique. So as you don't need to run the software on a computer in order to execute the inspection stage, it's not necessary to run a software. Whereas the testing, it's a dynamic verification and validation technique. It means what? It's necessary to run a software in order to conduct a testing phase. And the third major difference is that this technique can only check the correspondence between the program and the specification. So what all that specification has been mentioned, and in what way the program has been executed, all these things will be checked in the inspection stage. Whereas the testing means what? You examine the output of the software and its operational behavior to check to check that is performing as required. It means we are going to cross check the output of the software. Okay, we are going to examine the output of the software in the testing phase. Okay, so it means we are in the testing phase, we are just bothering about the output and whether it's perfect or not. All those things it will be verified in the testing phase. Okay, next, the fourth major difference between the inspection and testing are this: inspection, it's a static technique. So it's a static technique, cannot demonstrate the software is operationally useful. So it's a static technique. Okay, so whether that software is useful or not, all these things it will not be mentioned in the inspection stage. Whereas this testing is a dynamic techniques, it will demonstrate that whether that software is operationally useful or not. It means in the inspection stage it is not we are not getting the exact idea that whether that software is useful or not. It means we are not getting any idea about the software, but by using the testing technique we can identify whether that software is useful or not. So this is the major difference between the inspection as well as the testing. Okay, thank you.